Hi, I'm Kyleigh from Freedom Vans, and today I wanted to give you a van tour of our latest project. This van is for a woman in Santa Cruz who is going to be living in her van for months at a time. Our goal with this design was to create a really light and airy space that would be comfortable to spend long amounts of time in. We took the spare tire out from underneath the van and mounted it on the back so that we could fit in a split type AC. Back here we have part of the AC unit, the rest of it is mounted underneath the van. And the reason that we did that rather than a roof mount AC, we really wanted to maximize the amount of space we had for solar on top of the roof. So on this van we have 670 watts of solar, which will be a good amount of solar to replenish her batteries. We also have a pretty big lithium battery bank, which is mounted right here in this power enclosure. And that will help her so that she can be completely off the grid, running her AC, staying nice and cool in the summertime. Here we have a 35-gallon water system, and she has a hose down kit so she can hose down her bikes, kayak, as well as an outdoor shower if she feels like taking a shower outside. We also mounted a bike tray in this van. The tray is really nice because the back of the garage can be kind of hard to access, so you can put bikes here. You can actually fit 2 bikes or other things, and it'll be easy to access. So this is our client's cozy little bed nook. Back in this corner we have a little shelf so that the owner can put her book there, her cell phone while it's charging. We also have a little bookshelf here. We did this so that we could save some space rather than having full overheads. It's nice and open and doesn't feel so claustrophobic back here. This van was primarily designed to sleep side to side, but we also added the option of pulling out a bed extension with a cushion on top, which allows you to lengthen the space and sleep from front to back. On the back of the kitchen galley we have a fold-up table, so you can have place things here if you decide to set up an outdoor space to hang out in. One of the most challenging aspects of this van was creating a nice hangout space that was really multifunctional. So we wanted something that would be a dinette, a single bed for guests, or a comfy couch to sit down and lounge in. So this dining table, we used the Lagoon table base, which is really nice because you can move it around, push it out of your way if you're sitting here. This table also goes down in creating a nice solid space. So this becomes a couch, and we have an ottoman here, and you have a footrest, or you move the ottoman out of the way and then you have nice storage. In this space we raised the floor, which gives her extra storage. We have a little pull-out drawer right here. By raising the space, we're able to swivel around the front seat and use the front seat for an extended platform, which gives her more space to have a single bed here. So here's the little hangout space that she has when she's ready to sit down and watch a movie. Half of our YouTube family is going to be really stoked to see this next feature of the van. It is a bathroom. For the toilet, we use the Nature's Head composting toilet, and what's really nice about these toilets is they don't leave a funky smell in the van. These are pretty small spaces, so you have to be really cautious about what toilet you use. This toilet diverts number 1 from number 2, which is why it does not leave any sort of smell. One of the most challenging aspects of living in your van is definitely how to take a shower. And when you're doing week-long, 2-week-long trips, finding a shower or even showering isn't that big of a deal. But when you're in here full-time, it's nice to have a dedicated shower space. This van has a nice large kitchen with tons of storage. She has a closet underneath here, pull-out drawers, and some shelving as well. Most of our projects we add exterior lights also, so these shine outside and create a nice comfortable patio space when it's dark. All of our lights are on dimmer switches, so the patio light as well as the interior light. In this space we have day covers that she can just pull down for some quick privacy inside her van. With a lot of design work and a ton of hard work from our team, we created this super cozy and comfortable space for Laura that I am so excited to see her response to tomorrow. Thank you all so much for joining us on this van tour, and feel free to leave any questions or comments or opinions in the comment section below. Thank you! So your van we pulled outside.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, here's your van!
Yay! So I've named it.
Oh, you did?
You did?
It's Fitz Roy.
Fitz Roy.
After Mount Fitz Roy in Patagonia.
Oh, perfect!
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's when name? Fitz Roy.
Fitz
and I call him Fitz for short. Oh my God. Did this turn out gorgeous or what?
Yeah, it did.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, it's so cute!
Yay!
Oh my God. Oh wow, you guys are awesome. Oh my God. Oh, how cute this is.
Isn't that such a sweet little
nook? This is so cute too. This is gorgeous.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it's so cute, you guys.
It is so cute. I love it, and I want to move in.
Oh my God.